Good morning, and thank you for coming to Dr. Zeno's Flashmob. I'm here with Dr. Zeno. There's only one problem today.
What is it?
There's going to be a terrible snowstorm.
Oh dear, a terrible snowstorm. I didn't know about that. It's quite cold though. That's why I'm wearing my Christmas hat to keep my bald spot warm.
So you did hear about the snowstorm?
Well, I knew it was cold. I did not know about the snowstorm. No, I didn't know. But I wondered. Tell me about that song. That song that you sing with your flute. You flute with your instrument.
Oh, your theme song, Dr. Zeno?
Yes. But could you remind me of the? Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Could you remind me of the lyrics of that?
In western lands there lived a maid, mark well what I do say. In western lands there lived a maid, and she was mistress of her trade. I'll go no more a-roving with you, fair maid. It's actually not appropriate for children.
Oh, oh dear, I did not know that. Oh, luckily this is an all ages show, so it's appropriate for someone.
It's appropriate for someone.
Yeah. Well, go no more roving. Well, you know, I am not an elf. I just wanted to mention I'm not an elf. Just because I have this hat on doesn't make me an elf, right?
You said it was for your because there's a snowstorm coming.
Yes, but people might mistake me for an elf because of my, diminutive size and also the hat.
Do you think that Dr. Zeno looks like an elf? They do think you look like an elf.
Oh, yes, I know I look like an elf, but actually I'm a magician.
Dr. Zeno is a magician?
Everybody knows that. Dr. Zeno, the wizard, the magician, that's me. Everybody knows that.
You do look like a wizard.
I know, I do, except for the hat, which is actually an elf hat. And it has even has little bells on the end.
Yeah, you're like a silly magician. But are you going to do a trick?
Yes, I'm going to do a magic trick right now.
Ooh.
Let's see. I'm going to turn you into a let's see. What should I turn you into? I'm going to turn you into a frog. A frog.
Don't do it.
Here we are. Abracadabra.
Oh.
Alakazam. Andy is about to become a frog.
Ah!
Oh. Get up off the floor. No. This is... what happened to you? Oh dear.
Am I a frog?
Oh, no, you're not a frog.
Ribbit?
You're acting like a frog. I don't understand why you're doing that. You didn't turn into a frog. You must have anti-magic shield on or something. Did you...
I thought it was going to happen, but it didn't happen.
Deodorant? Did you wear deodorant?
It's kind of personal.
Well, I just wanted to know. It's a scientific question.
Maybe.
Well, in that case, magic doesn't work. If you're wearing deodorant, magic doesn't work. This explains the lack of magic in the world today. A lack of deodorant. If everybody went around smelly...
Deodorant?
We could have more magic.
Kids don't use deodorant.
Yes, that's why they understand about magic. That's why they see magic everywhere.
Oh my gosh, you mean that is the reason?
It's the deodorant, yes. Yes.
It's
so
you
paid a huge price for not having stinky adults.
Let's remember that. No more deodorant. Down with deodorant.
Actually, I think there's another reason not to have magic.
What's that?
It's too scary.
Scary?
Yes.
It's not scary. People like magic.
People don't like magic.
People like magic.
Take it from a wizard. People do not like magic. Now, I offered to turn you into a frog. Did you go, oh, hooray?
Well, no.
No. You see, you didn't want to become a frog. You want control of your life.
Yeah, but magic is like, watch me pull a rabbit out of my hat, ruffle up my sleeve. Oh, nothing up my sleeve. Presto! And then he pulls the rabbit out of his hat. People like that.
Yes, but that's not real magic. We're talking about turning people into frogs and also getting a frog stuck in your ice cream sundae, for example. thought it was a banana and it's a frog. Bad things like that. There's another good reason not to have magic. So.
Didn't you just say you're a magician?
Yes. Well, you don't see me doing any magic right now, do you? I tried.
Well, I guess luckily I put
some... days for magicians. Hard days for wizards.
This reminds me I should always remember to put deodorant on when I'm around Dr. Zeno.
Yes.
Protect myself against
always remember to wear your deodorant.
Yeah.
Now, my next trick is going to be I'm going to summon up a blizzard.
Well, that probably isn't going to work because actually you're not a very good magician. So don't worry about this.
If it's inside the puppet theater and also in the minds of the children who have the incredible ability to imagine things into reality and are not wearing deodorant, most likely, then it'll work.
But you said the children are working in the mines? What mines are they working on?
Mines, not mines. Mines with a D.
Oh. Mines?
I don't send children to work in the mines.
Oh.
What kind of monster do you think I am?
I don't know what kind of monster you are. I mean, you got your own thing going on. So the minds of the children can come up with magic.
Yes. They supply all the necessary details from the imagination.
All right. Are you ready? Is your mind ready to be magic? Okay.
Because I'm about to put some magic in it. Now, watch this. I'm going to be walking along, sunny day.
Okay, Dr. Zeno's walking along.
I wish I had a coat, but I've got this jacket on, this coat, but it's not like a warm coat. I wish I had like a down coat or something really warm, but all I've got is this. So I'm going to walk down the street. It's very cold, very cold. Oh, so cold. I wish the weather would improve. It's so cold out here. Oh, here comes some wind. Oh, it's very windy. Oh, my goodness. More wind. No.
Oh, no, Dr. Zeno.
It's very windy out. Oh, no. Look, it's snow. Here it comes. It's snowing! Oh, get off me, snow! It's landing on my nose! Oh, it's landing on my hair! Stop it! Oh, it's landing everywhere! Oh, it's snowing! Oh, I can't see! The snowflakes are the size of peas.
Snowflakes the size of peas are falling on Dr.
Are the size of Brussels sprouts.
Snowflakes the size of Brussels.
Snowflakes are the size of cauliflowers.
Snowflakes the size of cauliflowers.
No, it's not a snowflake. That's a snowball. Oh.
A giant snowball fell on top of you?
Yes, I'm stuck in the snow. What do I do? The snow is up to my neck. What will I do? I crawl my way through the snow and find someone to help me. Help me, please. Help me in the snow. Help. Oh, who will come and help me? I'm getting buried and lost in the blizzard. Down under all the snow. I'm disappearing. Help.
Oh, this is terrible.
What's going on? I'm stuck in the snow. What snow? The snow that we're imagining. I don't see any snow.
Imagining?
You just use your imagination. No, I don't want to use my imagination to imagine snow. I want to use my imagination to imagine cookies. I would like a cookie. You want one? Is it a real cookie or an imaginary cookie? Well, it's imaginary. Never mind then. I'd rather have snow. At least people will feel sorry for me. Whoosh! Help!
I feel very sorry for Dr. Zeno.
Well, have fun. You're supposed to help me.
Do you feel sorry for Dr. Zeno?
Well, if you'd offer me an imaginary cookie.
Yeah, you should have taken it.
Could have had an imaginary cookie.
Did you want an imaginary... the children all want imaginary cookies.
Oh, more snow! More snow! Oh, it's falling. I'm buried in the snow. Help!
What did you say?
Help!
Dr. Zeno's not buried in the snow? Oh, Dr. Zeno, the children say you're not buried in the snow.
Help! What's
He's not
going
paying any attention.
on? Oh, hello, little duckling. Why are you down on the floor? Buried in the snow. Can't you tell? There's snow everywhere. What snow? Imaginary snow. Imaginary snow? Huh. It's not very cold. You'll have to use your imagination. Imagine your little webbed feet all covered with snow. It's cold. You see? Now, imagine your little tail is covered with snow.
Oh.
It's cold. Now imagine your little beak is covered with snow. It's cold. Now imagine you're buried in the snow with me. You mean like this? Yes. Now say help. You see? Now we're buried in the snow. Help! Get us out! We're buried in the snow. Help!
I hate to sneeze because of the snow. Can we help them?
Isn't that fun? How does it end? I don't know. Somebody has to come rescue us.
The children have to come to rescue you. Come, children, come and rescue them from the snow. Come out of the...
I gotta go. Ooh.
You can't come out.
Duckling didn't want to help.
Well, the children couldn't come over either.
What am I supposed to do? I'm buried in this imaginary snow and no one wants to help me.
The children do want to help you, but they can't come through. They were trying to come through. Can you come through? They children.
Ooh! What's going on?
Lucky you didn't come through.
Are you here to rescue me? Yeah. Ooh. How are you going to do that? I'm gonna eat the snow. Ooh, you're going to eat the snow? Oh, that will be very helpful. And you. Wait, no, just the snow, not me. I'm gonna eat the snow and you. I'm gonna eat everything. No, don't eat me. I prefer to remain uneaten. Thank you. Okay, I'll just eat the snow and whatever part of you is in the snow. No, don't do it. No. Stop it. Stop it. No. You can't eat me. You see, I still have a little magic. Managed to pull that crocodile out of the puppet theater.
Wow.
Still buried in imaginary snow. I don't know who's going to rescue me now.
The crocodile was going to rescue you.
He was going to eat me, Andy.
Well, he was going to... First he was going to rescue...
that kind of rescuing.
Yeah, well, he was... I mean, it's a technicality. He was going to rescue you, and then he was going to eat you, and so, therefore, he was going to rescue you, right?
I don't call that rescue. I call that being on the menu. I guess no one wants to rescue me from being buried in the imaginary snow.
Sorry.
Oh, look, who's that?
A bunny.
Hello?
A bunny.
It's a little white bunny. Did you come to play in the snow? Yes, I heard there was snow. Yes, well, you can play in the snow as much as you want, and while you're at it, you might rescue me from being buried in the snow because I'm getting buried in the snow. Help! What are you doing? I'm sitting on your head. Why are you doing that? It's comfy. Don't sit on my head. It's not how you rescue people, by sitting on their head while they're getting buried in the snow.
Well, I would like to have a bunny sit on my head.
You would?
Oh, did you hear me? A bunny is sitting on my head.
Yeah, you take the bunny and let the bunny sit on your head. I don't want a bunny on my head. It's already bad enough being buried in the snow.
A bunny is hopping on my hand.
I'm sorry, I thought you wanted me to. Oh, actually it was rather nice and warm, wasn't it? Yes, but I want someone to help me dig out of the snow so I can escape. And also help me find my way through a blinding blizzard. How am I supposed to have you help me find my way through a blinding blizzard? You go hopping up one hop ahead, you'll disappear into the snow because you're completely white. True. I guess I'm not a very good snow rescue bunny. I'm sorry, bunny. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to. Come on now. Didn't mean to. make you feel bad. Come on. Oh, bunny. All right. Now, why don't you just get on my head again? Yes, I thought you would like that. All right. So here I am in the snow with a bunny on my head. Now, what do I do? Perhaps I'll just have to imagine the snow gone. Perhaps you can help me, children. Oh, hey! Oh, and now the bunny's in my lap. That's nice. All right, children, let's imagine the snow just melts away. Just melts away completely and is gone. And there's sunshine and a rainbow and little bunnies and birds singing and the spring comes and we all get to go outside and play and not have to wear a mask or anything. Doesn't that sound good, Andy?
That's the nicest thing to imagine.
Oh, yes, let's imagine that. I like it. Oh, I hear the birds. Did you hear that? There's birds singing. Oh, there's little flowers growing everywhere. Oh, and there's a bunny on my lap. Oh, I'm warm. I'm not buried in a blizzard. Oh, Andy, I believe imagination is magic.
Oh, imagination is magic.
Yes, everyone, enjoy your imagination and hopefully it will come true.
Thank you, Dr. Zeno, and thank you everybody for coming for today's puppet show of Dr. Zeno's Flashmob. And remember, always get a bunny. And see you next time. Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Even an imaginary bunny is really good.
I'm a real imaginary bunny.